that's a good one. Woo! Oh, he pulling drag. What's going on, y'all? I'm Captain Jody with Bayou Bandit Charters. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be targeting redfish. I'm going to show you a lure combination that you will definitely want to have in your tackle box, in your arsenal. It has been killing redfish as well as some flounder. It is perfect for stained, muddy water conditions. Stay tuned. Let's see how quick we can put an Alabama limit in the boat. If you hadn't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. I'd appreciate it a lot. It'll help my channel grow. All right, let's get it. If y'all have watched my previous videos, I've been having a lot of good success with a gold spinner and a Fish Bite Dirty Boxer for redfish as well as flounder. That has always been kind of a go-to to me for targeting redfish in the marsh systems, in the creeks. But I have found recently with this stained muddy water that flounder really love that bait as well. Dealing with a lot of stained, muddy water, y'all. It is improving some, but not a whole lot. If we get another week with no rain, I think we'll be pretty good shape. All right, fish on. Fish on. Oh, well, that's got to be a redfish. Oh, nice redfish. Nice redfish. Come on, boy, get in the boat. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Nice little redfish. Sitting on 19 inches. Perfect eating size redfish, y'all. Let's get that old dirty boxer out of his mouth. All right. We're gonna put that boy in the box. All right, that did not take long at all. Let's see if we can get some more. Horrible looking water, y'all. Seeing a lot of mullet in the area. That's a good sign for redfish. You go in creeks and you start seeing mullet, there's a very good chance there's some nice redfish in that creek. This is a deadly combination, y'all. Oh, look at there. Look at there. Golly, another redfish, y'all. Soon as that bait hit the water, like I was saying, this is like I said, this is a deadly combination for targeting fish, redfish and flounder in muddy water. That vibration and then the scent of that Fish Bites Dirty Boxer, they can't take it, y'all. They can't take it. They can't take it. Woo! Another one, y'all. Another redfish. That one's a little bit better than the other one. Look at that beautiful redfish, y'all. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that blue tail. Perfect specimen of redfish. Beautiful colors. 20 inches. Awesome. Woo, I love it. Absolutely love it, y'all. Another one in the box. One more and we'll have our limit. It's not taking long at all today. We're gonna bleed these fish out like I always do. If you're following my channel, y'all know this is routine for me. Just take your finger, stick it right in that soft spot under the fin. Those fish will bleed out. Be a lot better tasting. No red meat in them whatsoever. That is 2 redfish in about 7 casts. All we're doing is, oh, there he is. Redfish number 3. Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all. He broke me off. He absolutely broke me off. That was an absolute tank. I must have had a fray in my line. Gosh dang it. All right, I got me a new spinner tied on. I went straight braid with it. I must have had a bad spot in my line, y'all. I hate I didn't get that fish, y'all. He was an absolute tank of a redfish. I don't think you'll find a better combination lure than what I'm using for staying muddy water. If you think there's a better one, y'all leave a comment down in the description below. Dang, I don't believe I lost that fish. I haven't been broke off on a fish in a long time. Oh, golly. There we go, y'all. There we go. There's another one. Woohoo! That was literally the 3rd cast after tying that new bait on. Oh, better fish. All of these are perfect eating size redfish. Beautiful specimens. I love them that size right there, y'all. 20-inch fish. Beautiful 20-inch fish. I mean, y'all look at that guy. Absolutely beautiful. You messed up, boy. You look sad. All right, get the old hook out of your mouth, boy. Redfish number 3 in the box. That'll be some good eating right there. I love that combination, y'all. That gold spinner and the old fish bite dirty boxer in the tap out color. Getting the job done, son. We've got an incoming tide. We've got 92-degree water temperature, and we've got a lot of muddy water. All this rain, y'all know, in Alabama and Mississippi, we have gotten tons and tons and tons of rain. We got stained water, we got muddy water. The fish has a hard time catching their prey because it's muddy, right? So with this gold spinner and fish bite dirty boxer, this is the deadliest combination. If y'all can think of a better combination, y'all let me know. But in my opinion, this is it. 20-pound braid, tying straight to the line, no leader, no fluorocarbon whatsoever in this muddy stained water. Fish can feel that vibration of that spinner, and they key in on it, and then they taste and smell that fish bite dirty boxer, and man, they gotta have it. They have got to have it. If y'all been following my channel, y'all know the last couple of videos I put out, I've been using this bait, and I've been catching a lot of flounder on it as well. Oh, there he is. Redfish number 4. Ooh, that's a bigger fish too. Ooh. I tell you what, this is a redfish killer. Look at that other one running up there. Whoo! Redfish killer, son. That rascal is fired up. Woo! Let's go. Beauty of a redfish. Woo! Ah! Ha 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 ha! Woo! Let's go! We are releasing this guy because we have already got our limit. This is fun, y'all. This is so much fun. Killer. Killer. Woo! That rascal sitting on 25 inches, which is a little bit bigger than I like to keep and eat anyway, so I don't mind releasing that big guy. All right, let's get a safe release on this big guy. Thank you for the fight. Hook right through the top of the lip. Awesome, awesome, awesome fish, y'all. Awesome fish. You ready? There you go. Thanks for the fight, old buddy. All right, we're working ourselves back out of this little creek. Caught 4 nice redfish, 3 in a box, 1 released. See if we might pick up another one on the way out. There he is. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one, y'all. Woo, redfish number 5. Woo. Oh, he pulling drag. He's pulling drag, y'all. That's a hoss. Woo. This is a redfish killer right here, y'all. Absolutely. Beautiful, beautiful red. Look at that rascal. Let's go. Nothing but fight, son. Nothing but fight. Oh! Tank, son. That's a tank right there. Absolute tank. Absolute tank. I'm gonna get him with these boga grips. Whoo! Son, 26 inch redfish on the dot. Whew. What a tank.